Back in the studio, into common so Saturday war London, ball Rapperholic on the 6th of March, no. Na Niku Bako strongly behind him in Soha. Penifono amamo makwaba na yenshe nkomna. Chema makwaba.
Black so.
Na bibi aboko de.
Nyamya dum aboko chama.
Nice one. Ebesha say media might know you.
Yeah.
Meti for no my for money munti lobo di na position no. Na ekuni din sumo sa dia to dwama ye hu sag natives ana be an meje bi wo mu a
I know ya dream
JFK me
official JFK na ka say Kumasi SarkNation president na muti yenka abusuan ya wa hanu ma ye black e ba be som for the Rapperholic London ho the vice president nso wa hanu pa me manen koi
yes so fame ochekwa metewia OKT ranking
okay
they say na I support Sark.
Okay, the team member is also here, Sark.
Yeah. For Sark natives, they didn't come on that.
Yeah.
Until we know how come you guys brought this thing together and how come I'm mobile. But Rapperholic has been a talk of town.
Yeah.
Sark they could perform more Royal Albert Hall. No, there was a whole lot of conversations before it, during it, and after it. Conversations baby also. It started with conversations about Sarkodie is bigger than the Royal Albert Hall. And then as Sarkodie encore at a point he got to the stage, he said, why can't we man feel you? Tickets crying to anybody else is sold out. Last hour man for a Russian and everything. San common meaning say na mutibi. You as a team, na mo BB particularly am here to contribute to but my san common died down and I said you know the person I'm morally behind in team. When such conversations comes up, you just want to leave it now and play out. As time goes on, Osako they will prove Obi are wrong. And I need to say when it comes to a team like the Sark natives.
Black Mienda Sibiona and Penny folk crowd where no more cancer and says Madrina and Yejuma, I am a body near it. Ebre. Na we are saying so no say ni friend beto boa na nice bibi so. And yeah no dear some of us need there. You know what he can do.
Yeah.
Etiana sometimes it's still important to still go out and crusade about Sark. Do you understand? I was still now because generation is still now they are coming. And Kolane ba no mobile and Kolano be on ma they won't understand the fact that Sark they can feel a better.
Yeah.
But yeah, the need say we were already done with it. So what you say? And those talks nana were you bigger than this or you bigger than that? Fine. Yes, we know. And Ghana also your mind be our own black. And sometimes no, I just have to say I'm proud to be a Ghanaian because Ghana is a person we be because our own. Just let them chase you with your dreams. Microphone count once.
Yeah.
I have seen people they use negative to become a positive. Let the end come for a second. And same baby and anayaka afane ho. And so near the need him say Albert Ono. Obeti me a year cram and I de abroso. Na yen she Albert Honoman Ujina no announce baby a wo say the Hona wonko.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Eti nipa na udineti no ana nipa na ya wona ba betu krom no. He is here with a purpose. Senke eti mreni man kasa ko Jesus Christ. Osajefo Kwame Nkrumah number 2 and ye can asem sisi.
By into the music scene and answer you feel as a whole, you know.
As a whole, the person has a purpose.
Yeah.
Black Sark we any party say me no immunity hano.
Yeah.
But Sark he's here for a purpose. Or what had to say that Lumba ba Ghana no or buy with a purpose no.
Yeah.
King Sark has his own in the music industry and aside the music industry you know. Or pepper be say obebie kwan bi ato ho. Na nka wo gidida. Ye buy be to obrafo ye to cassette ni biti lo Kenya mu nyina ye to tie. When they catch you pain. When they encourage you pain said there will be a person from this country I will no be kwan bi say wo tu. Why discography. Ni ye see it na kroma no abobo ne o ma sa akodi aye so a ye nka no kre black.
It will go beyond borders, as you said.
Yes.
Jeff K, yeah, share, as I said, the about leading to it. The performance itself, the attendance itself. When himself, you guys being a group, definitely other Sark native groups and as other Sark or their fan bases are other countries. Maybe are more reach out to them. Now, having that interaction. How was it like with the fan base in London. Munya
the
that
performances on the right.
even with more me can SarkNative more here eating Kumasi SarkNatives no. Money the other fan bases in some way like London. About you made in the course. So more that kind of relationship na ibia. Ti sesa ko de be Rapperholic Kumasi. Ose.
Can I come in here? About the question that you're asking.
Mami question now answer. Why? Other groups London war here now make us say I've seen a video Sarkodie war Germany yes I want to know say SarkNatives Kumasi money sa other SarkNatives groups war London as for more relationship before. Did you guys have any interruption prior to the Royal Albert Hall event
advice bebe mu no that part one no and we share SarkNation bi anima sama bisa no woni ye fe obede fam more mami yazonto no crazy
we are Sark fan oh
right so means more that with them
yeah that rapport because right after the event Yatikua I find SarkNation UK boy now down on the couldn't be over Sussex
okay
and Yatiku or DM me TikTok search ale movement now and no shit and to say BBC ever for Empire Critic Group nipa 100 and I join and there. Wow. 50 out of ticket and that two groups say yato.
Okay.
I say
for the O2 next year.
For the O2 next year no. The one almost I talking to our crowd £100 no you know.
Yeah.
Or matter so almost say boama obi won timi on say you be timi say internet no.
Yeah.
So we now so bad jato mo so be yesterday come say for year wa hanu year. Yeah. Homecoming no. They will do the same thing in UK. Omo bono grassroots enya after ko yes akode add how I don't hear jai.
Yeah.
You need your own team. Baby, a restaurant be African, they are going there with Sarko their banner. Our mother say, oh, to no, a massive feeling. Once a movement for Ghana music. It's not about only about Sarko there. Yeah. A movement about Ghana music because Obi Royal Albert Hall. Sarko the first artist of Ghana bought more than 5,000 K. We need 6.3 thousand.
Yeah. And
your toy until what be a quano. Oma cast with DHD. On says Stone Boys announce it.
Yeah.
Chatawale is announce it.
Yeah.
MOG
music. I think they announce it while Sarko the
2025. Yeah.
So 2026, 2027. I think it's a movement for Ghana music.
Okay.
If you're not going to do it like okay, Sark when I say we are supporting the BI Ghana music. BI supporting in 2026. The UK franchise to say SarkNation UK. Oma BI no. They say my create account on Twitter. So we now UK maybe have a join here. Who DM account on Twitter? They will add you to the group. Then be a member of the SarkNation UK.
SarkNatives Kumasi during Sarkodie a show no. You want some organize BB. DJ simple video no half a no mum to sumame. More organize more of like a watch party.
Exactly.
Now the people there in attendance now you're him for. How did that even idea come about? Because we talked about it here. Say Sarkodie the can cracker say or moment mean by Royal Albert Hall. No, there's a link where you can buy, join and stream the whole event. No, and the SarkNatives they are more viewing. No, what was the intention behind it? How did it come about? And I'm more no him for.
I think A2
A2 apartments.
And it's still about an internet group no. So what I say, an internet back no. Because when the idea came say Albert Hall no dear no. Abusuafo na ye woni nyina ye ka bom. Sese sa na tie dia ye nyina ye nya ade baako. Ne nkopɛ baabi faako. Na ye streamline ne sese ye no ma ye nya kwan ankwan kopi mu London no. Ye timi aye de ahwe. Ye che kai ku no ye di nkomo all the time.
Yeah.
My name is Vice President, for instance, any other executive members, Losaki or Media Chiaba, Hanumi as a member. You didn't come all the time. No, it doesn't work like Adia baby. We talk about it. It's not a near Casa. A big shout out to Kumasi SarkNation group, Niman, as a team in Mubia, Yakasa, you didn't come. So the idea, Nayana and Pese in free baby Falcon, and Ayana, Eba, Yin I general, yet the Betuanoma, near she. Send your can be see Abba. Esia fa cause ya na eboabo isika no ene yekoje sa apartment no ene ye hu aduane ye hu drinks ye wie no ene ye sa etua link ne ho ka streaming live no so ne ho ka ansa ne ye ba be stream aba ye hu banners ye cheje ho
obi oba bibia no was having a streaming link and I just say say you take it out you went to the UK no until what you will see ka ba be deal but so the link be say me link in here say come ma ha ka me hwe no fie now the aba no be hwe
yeah can one say me show live where you page but then I was asking say after getting the idea and then organizing way no, I didn't want for a bigger audience. Was there a reason why maybe I'm more except for the whole team? No, name monko into a bigger audience. No?
We are still trying that. Anything I would do no yede ebano. Adiebi a wohu na animu ya asase. Aha. My vice, for instance, say at some point he was also saying say ye maintaining ho na ye nyene kakra ne nhwe se ne output ni besi ayede aye. And at the end of the day ye to watch adwuma. Enye se bia bibi free baby na aba say ye mfa nye se adwuma no. Ya ne ye nti se wo ye no dodo ade na dodo ade no obi antimi afford the fee no so e no be affect ye so hu na meche nti ye na ye wom na ye die hard no we should pull the money out yankasa yenje apartment no na yenye ni yenhwe the outcome ne be say that can and any idea me why is there there e buy I bought that one because yes ye ne kese no o de kwoto no obi ade benya sika de aba ade be china se nipa gina gate and so me so mu ma be ka so mo obi nura mana wo se onya abada ye wo that part no I know the day we need scans once person oba be hwebi see obende tie ne sade a ekuo kakra na ye wo no ana still na agent nipa dom no ana ye person kofo ba mu no obia anya dey entene ho ase at this point ni enhwe O2 no de definitely O2 no de we are just breaking this here say O2 no definitely most of us will be there we are breaking it here we are breaking more. Nipa be bri wa bontia they are expecting us to talk about it and we are breaking it on your show. Most of us, especially the vice president 99 ba akokra de kokko dada. We know what we are doing. But we are still thinking say now we are still planning say there still has to be a streaming party. And also so no I was say you have one some kind of it will be a public view. And yet said the enquire ko share dem a ye mama and say nyina hwe.
Jumping straight into the O2 there no. It's a bigger platform. And I catch Bonti ne. I think probably name a few colleagues have known me and say there's this thing and I'm a dream so till I had conversations about it. As I'm what kind of my dream about to say yeah pushes I got the coffee but he's a rapper.
Yes.
And near can about it say African rapper Baina Nidimba mind say wa feel somewhere like the Royal Albert or even the O2 Arena. It's known as I generated the conversation says Sarkodie Nkwa ain't mean feel the O2. Meaning say what it be. What has been your response to it as a team? Because Sarkodie by Sarkodie non so my who say and yes a mona mo hotel mona ma form group na mo bana money abedin komako. He knows what you guys are doing and then you guys have interactions with him. Intimation as in vice or vice. Hearing this conversation in the news say Sarkodie Nkwa ain't me and feel the O2 unless he goes with his friends now. How is Sark Natives as a group also taking this news and how are you guys reacting to it?
It's a Ghana movement thing because we are so being Kwani Bibiada. Apart from say it's all button as a you have a coach, you have a team member, some more jumbo or more support. So those say tennis individual sports, but about music anymore. They will produce a produce your mama. If you call auditorium, you will be a bubble organ, your tie bebo, man beba, we beba. And see, on no one to me, yes, show them my SML. The poke will be home. What does about choose about and also artists before say show them beba so on now so Ninano and your non quan. So no crash as Sark and friends. Definitely there's people going to be on the show on the show with Sark here. Into because Sark going to be familiar first and no wow that's a question oh your mistake because I say Sark and friends. Like I say Sark here feels it was Sark and friends at O2 Arena 2027 6th March. Into Sark in the book will be in echo. Yes, Sark in it's the
headliner, yeah.
Exactly, maybe a DH. Into Oka, Metia, I made them as because and you told Nipa couldn't mean Opa Fabra, so by you. Apart from Kwame Eugene, what me beat as I told you. One was over the alcohol studio, I caught my brow on here producer. You will definitely need the producer.
Yeah.
It is uncommon. I don't say I don't say uncommon area because all to your head area Nigeria for your more almost someone say, I'm not going to feel. Yeah. Near Queen, a Ghana movement. Young Yasak as a castle. Name supports it. Name Queen him, say Queen more. And if we saw what they swab say black will quiet. Now who smoke will quiet. Now we quiet. Now my Ghana music and the said, yeah, you call Abroach, I just say 2,000 capacity in a fellow. They are free.
Yeah. It's me across that gap. No,
that's it.
Jeff, give me your comment on it.
Black Medasipi. Now, if you are the Ghana, and even at my bida. Ghana no dia wankasa wani fia de obae ka kra Ghana ni ye ka si we se nyon na ye ti ase wo hu bi ye ti fia nim ensem ekoso wo Kumasi nim ensem ekoso wo Accra nim ensem ekoso obi pie free krom ha no na se wo some special intelligence bi obetimi de IBB cry da ho no mo a o ba beto se Ghana ne te ho pa o ye enso so be kan to se nya Ghana ni na ye de o2 oye den ka se wo nko akwa akogina o2 se wo fele. And since our music bar into into an existence no me who artist not being a rapper or a singer and I said then whiskey so a singer. And so still now putting itself on Tottenham stadiums in the O2 now. We still have Asake and those other people now coming through, even including Can Promise me free a copy for me or Davido Can Promise on it and Whiskey Can Promise on it. And now saying a baller and Quebec say Uncle Phoebe one might have entered the stadium before. And we have a lot of people on my entire almost a quack interview. And you know say baby be a dear go and do one on one or a chef or and you will be nearby cancer as natural. Before Sark was performing on the huge stage, one African music festival Dubai ne those places and those places here are no more eputi Africans A1 artists on the listed African A1 artists. Sark was the only one from Ghana and near picking free ad near the echo. Oh be a coin or bo coins was at war. And your person kuminya de. Ye pese ye ma Ghana for no yeso so ye ho ko bon sa kasa ne hu bi kakra. Enti yenya isa nkomo na ye di se ono nko antimi na ha no hwan nko na atimi ayi bibia me agya tum da hwan e na o se ono ofiti se ono waye bibia Ghana matena ayi bibia se me na mai bibia ankade asa akodi nyina arguably he is the only one senke ye kase ye kan even if it goes in the history book it will still be mentioned with his name but still people will never understand that trick so when we are making black eti mani panka but still ye be ye anka mo ani o say free wukrum ho into ono kwa okogina so a obenya de na free
je ma mchipini bibi wa say ebra okobo Royal Rapperholic say sakodi am pursue artist bia o
Debbie
but e wie no omo de placards na mo say didi men sanya bi omo di enya bi that means say enya sakodi nkwa na ye there's a team no so omo de mo bo afidi ma sakodi a is solid no enti nipa ko de baba come together no one be yard na efe enti sa community omunya di na yen share the bigger picture and never boy
vice yen community ne hebeja bonti remember how Sark natives they coming together as a group. They've been doing stuff. Rapperholic here na make and they organized a viewing party for themselves at AQ3 and then they are here to talk about preparations heading into Rapperholic 2027 at the O2. Bonti Mamenjo comment on anything that you do want to.
Also, I will commend them. Benin forces they offer their panel and they've seen how amazing Sarkodie is doing, and to be able to organize this watch party by themselves. Abras Kabia and Free Baby Amano. Sarkodie probably don't even know about the Omuyebia. It's all love. So what I say. And I say when you criticize people constructively, it pushes them to do more. Adia ba kwa ya na de bia me kan ho asem e fanatism and na say music industry no. Ye nyina ye bo machi so monko ba de koy okokuduru ho no ma fe de so ntimi nye. As I'm talking to you now, first floor once we
good VIP gold no.
It's sold out. From section from 100 to 900 it's sold out every 1 year. Say akase say we dey advance a man to cry akase aka almost bear 11 months into the every month be a yen-top 900 tickets no akase you'll be able to do it into empire na we say ebo na wakwakoye then it will motivate other people to also do more tie tena je ne to ayampia bebre a e de how never all we can do now me sure say me akobi but what I can do and say I will pray and support him. If it's a win for him, it's a win for all of us. And I will encourage my brothers say, the last time I was Rapperholic, they came here, we were all here. After that, a section. Said they all they even didn't have ideas said they all or it will be our share things from afar until they will be. Probably this then somebody has even prompted him. Or
tweeting crowd or yes, I think it's
on says Kumasi niggas or Ajoa to Muadia Biwa black. BBN or baby, I'll commend them. A brave dream bedding, but they should stay on their grounds and continue to support him and a bit dread on be cheaper.
Jeff can advise, meaning say we have as Bonti said, the Emfabosun we have 11 whole months, you know, in promoting Rapperholic 2027 at the O2. Vice the NNC ho. Where is a bunti be try ticket tamame. Yeah, they call it. Said they call him here. But family calling here. Family calling to do about the same. Vice quite the maca hone any. Okay. Finally, they mean quite about family calling na. You better near 80. Yeah, they wrap up no vice. My main gym free honum. What is it that one word you want to say? We are more on for 1 or 2 beer. We need more maybe a one person be show their faces, but they are behind, you know, SarkNation as a group. And at the Ojumemu Dini, you know, more the boa or person kana major last West Namenje, they can free.
Oh, but they can be fair for this side. Say Ghana Koboba, share Uncle Khan, a bino at the deep place nechi, budget at the moment that Pesanka, Foreign Affairs Ministry, no. Sarko, we are say fully under Ghana's 70th birthday, no. And come Bemubi, no one to give you come can yes need be more Ghana hano. Enya visa opportunities and what you experience that in the UK. That's what I want to take it from. Senka Foreign Affairs Ministry and some mem. And my name quite say Biabo Nkwana and the Bible was a blasters cover cap in 10 years and he passed it the African echo. We'll see a Ghana map plan okura or the echo. Or the final flag na echo. And it's a Muslim member ever born a qua. Because oh, Chris Akode showed in a me call UK go here be my bay, say this. Ever my administrator day. That's come for team, and there be a quiet ball of glass, I share and my mamma. Let's say, I'm going to cover because at least long so more bread. Yeah. More bread, more come about it. Whatever. See a couple show nearby. Ghana 70th Independence Day. So you come back. Okay. Yeah, but my Ghana.
What is that? Jeff Key, I'm into you. It is Uncracker Chrome or my visa in countries or chow. Kansi Amsterdam when I want to hear dinner. And I'm later some because we want to tell programs here. Oh, I would say can't win you knew. O coffee when you be behind you are over testing people we are seeing.
Black why you could promote a sign who I am more poor. Miminia sim be a make show mine. Sarkodie. No one sem ye kasi ye can one or one casacra waka, ye become my dear. And che ye perceive that was it. Oh. Yada wasi ankasa aseda emu drew ebia intimate for because ye bia my by any opportunity with ye can man say nyina hu say ye kan abusuaku a omo so wo ba bia hu say omo so bo sa akode hu bia omo nyi omanim amie hu say omo ni omo ye we omo ye ni a ye tena wa fidie kesi so aka say Mr Black a wo host we big SarkNation juma o ye e wo ye chi no say ye kase ye tua ho ka ye ntimi yesi kakra ntimi nso na dware mpopo no ode akwa kope bibi edi eti de pese ye kan nyina ne se ye da ase ye da wase pa abonti ye da mase last year ye ba ha bi hu mo ene nso ya sa ba ha bi o asem kro na na eguso aye kan afi se de ono makwan me boda wuro no wa makwan a obetima boda wuro ntuwo wo na ase bi a wo na ase sin wo bi foforo apa from de ono no wa se ye boda wuro nti Black the person can say, Yamisha, if you are quite still more to us. Any Babeka, initiate a Babeka. Finny, I feel, and then they decided to say, Membra, never visit you, non command Dana, would you know? You knew in a day. In the intimate, that's a P. Mecano.
I said, I know Miss Medamasi, but I said, you my panny. To me, you my pan doom will be because will be a cancer deep and or you my pentibuano. At least we would also do our best in our little corner, say. Ebe push the brand na big that anya ni ebe push ya mana so be any but okaka wa no de ka ho a then people also know nti SarkNation mo de zam zam ka mo ho
yeah
nti de nya me so me da ma se na ewie mu nya amre na mo de buy
Black